So when it comes to starting your business, one of the most frequently asked questions is, do you need a business entity? Now, there's tons of different entities, but the most popular one is going to be an LLC. And oftentimes you hear people say, you need an LLC, or should I start an LLC? That's because it's the most commonly used one. Now, LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. Now, this is just a corporate structure that's going to go ahead and shield you personally from any type of debts, possible litigation issues, or any type of issues that you would have with your business. It's very quick to set up, very easy to set up, and inexpensive to set up. And I definitely recommend that everybody starts their business starts with an LLC. Now, this is just my personal opinion. Of course, I can't give you legal advice because I don't know what type of business you're in, where you're located, what you live, what your goals are, do you have partners, and all of the above. But I will give you the general outlined information on an LLC. By the way, I have several LLCs, and what we can do is I can give you our personal resource. Down below, there will be a link to schedule a free call with our partners that will pretty much answer all of your questions when it comes to LLCs, corporate structures, and they can even go ahead and file your LLC for you and help set you up to save the most on taxes. So let's go over the 5 basic steps that you need to go ahead and form your LLC. Number 1, when it comes to forming your LLC, you don't need a ton of things, right? You're gonna need your EIN or your social security number, some type of identification number as a taxpayer or a legal business owner. And once you go ahead and submit that stuff with your documentation, you pay a few small fees, you're able to submit it, then you're able to get your letters of organization. So number 2, you're limiting your liability. So in the event of any type of legal issues or any type of litigation, you're able to shield your personal assets, your personal savings, your house, your car, and everything that's an asset outside of the business, because they would potentially sue the business, they would not sue you. This also shields you in the event that any type of issues happen with your products, someone gets hurt at your business or on your business property, so on and so forth. Next, number 3, you want to choose your tax status. So regardless if you're a single member or sole proprietor, which means you're the only owner of the company, or you have partners or a partner and you need to do a partnership LLC, you want to identify which one is best for you. That way you can go ahead and set that up. Now, both are going to be passed through when it comes to taxation. What a pass through means is you don't have to separately go ahead and file them if you have partners. You can just file together or file one time on your actual personal earnings, and it'll come off of your personal earned income. So it's pretty simple. Just have to identify, do you have partners or are you a sole proprietor? Number 4 is going to be manage how you want. Now, a lot of entrepreneurs usually start out as masters of all. Like, you wear multiple hats and you're doing multiple tasks in your business as an entrepreneur, as a startup. This allows you to run your business pretty lean and put all that additional money that you're saving by not having all these different employees into marketing and into growing the business, into increasing your inventory, so on and so forth. Once you get up in scaling, you can choose to continue to do those specific tasks, or you can bring in different managers or different roles into your business to run it for you, depending on what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, and what your goals are for your business. Now, number 5 is going to be boosting your credibility or how you're perceived as a business. Now, there's nothing wrong with starting out as a sole proprietorship or having a partnership. However, once you get up and rolling, you want to consider moving towards an LLC because they're viewed with more, they're perceived with more authority and as more legitimate as a business structure. It just looks better. It also will protect you more than a sole proprietorship or just a standard partnership will. Now, these are 5 tips and basic outlined action items when it comes to starting your business and choosing the appropriate entity. There's tons of different entities out there like C Corps, S Corps, corporations, so on and so forth. So you want to talk to an expert and tell them this is your business, this is where you live, this is how much you're making or project on making, do you have partners, so on and so forth, and they'll be able to help you get your entity started. That way you can save and protect yourself, as well as save as much potentially on taxes. Down below there will be a link to a partner who we work with, which all of our clients use. They are very good. They can hop on a call with you. They can walk through your business model, see what's best for you, help you set up your entity. And if you're an Amazon seller, they'll actually help you link your entity to your Amazon account, set up your Amazon seller account, and get the ball rolling. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. If you're not subscribed or you're returning to the channel and you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we drop new videos. In just a few seconds, there'll be a few more videos popping up that will help you increase your income, your impact, and your influence. See you in the next one.